Here we go. We got part 16 we're going to get after. And we're going to learn a circle command and use tangent lines. It's going to be great. You're going to love it. So I'm in AutoCAD again, and I'm going to start a new with a template of metric. So I'm going down to metric. Once we get it loaded up, I'm going to start my first line, L, and we're going to start the origin 0, 0. And then I'm going to go 12, I believe. Let's check it out. 12 right here. I'm going up 12, and then I'm going to go over 41 and make a little box there. So let's do that. So I'm pushing on F8 for my ortho. So I'm going to go 12 up, 41 over, 12 down. I can zoom in a little bit, and then we'll finish it right there. Then I believe our center part right here is 14 wide, right? So let's take a look. I'm going to go over 14. I'm going to go down 12. I'm going to do that. I could copy lines, but I think it's easier actually to type them. So I'm going to go over 41. Again, 12, and close it off. There we go. Back to the beginning. All right, so then we get to learn a new tool. First, we're going to set up our layers. I could click that right there, or type layers, does the same thing. I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to call this my guide layer. I love yellow for my guide layers because it's bad for anything else, really. Because guide layers, remember, we don't use those at the end. So I'm going to switch over to my guide layer. I'm going to draw a line up from the very center point. Okay. I already had my O-snap on. Remember, that's you could use O-snap to get midpoints working. And from this drawing, we need to go up 15 to get to the center point of that. 15. Switching back to my 0 layer. C for circle. C for circle. And I click that center point, and my diameter is 12 on that one. And then I'll need another one of 34. It's not diameter, it's radius. So I needed 6 on this one. And then I could put in a diameter, but we're not there yet. I'm not going to do that. And then this one was 17 on the radius. Okay, we have our 2 circles we need, and we need to draw a line for this one. We go from the end point, and we're going to go tangent. And your O-snap should be on. You'll see a little circle with a slash on it. I'm going to stop that line, push spacebar again to get a new one, go to the end point, and then we'll go again right there. Now, TR to trim, and I will trim that. This one, I'm not crazy about the new way that this works, but you got to click a couple more times. Where did I lose it? I clicked too much of the line. There we go. I lost the top part. All right, we're good to go. The front, I think we're done. Yeah, we'll get those hidden lines on there later. We'll talk about that. We'll draw these up here first and utilize those to draw it. So we are good to go. Good luck on it. Catch you next time.